Hi, I've got an issue. So I've got a plugin called Kraken, which is a image optimization plugin. You can see there Kraken IO status and optimize this image in the media library. I've got this error message here, and every single image had this error on it, and I couldn't optimize the image. And I was able to get all of these optimize this image buttons working by turning all plugins and the Avada theme off and back on again. So everything was good. And then this image, I used the replace media function, replaced the image, and now this message is back just for this image. So what I'm going to do right now is clear or revert, I think it's the theme. I'll soon find out and see if I can just get rid of this message after doing the replace media. So I'll click pause and see how I go. Okay, so I've just done some testing and I've turned all plugins off, turned the theme off and turned back on, but I can't get rid of this message now that this has been the replace media. The image is not there either. So just to recap, they all had this message, every single image, and by turning everything off and back on, I got the buttons to display, but replace media seems to affect the Kraken plugin. There seems to be a conflict there. So once this is fixed, the final step would be, I've got obviously a lot of images. I've got 170 pages of images, and I'd like to run a script that optimizes all of these images. So it actually clicks these buttons basically, via a script rather than me having to manually do it. In Kraken IO settings, so it's going to do lossless, profile, yep. So the bulk concurrency is 4. So this setting defines how many images can be processed at the same time using the bulk optimizer. The recommended and default value is 4. For blogs or very small hosting plans or reduced connectivity, a lower number might be necessary. I think our website's a bit better than normal, so it might even be able to go up. I'll leave that to you. If 4 at a time for the script, you're happy with that, then leave it at 4. But there's a setting there. And just finally, once I go to media again, so crack them all. So I can tick that with all of these and then crack them all, apply. That would optimize all of these images. I just don't want to do it 170 times. If it's too difficult to create a script for that, let me know and I'll get somebody to do that. Just go through the process of doing that. So that's it, and let me know if you've got any questions, but otherwise, yeah, see how you go. Cheers.